Hi everyone! Welcome to day 3 of our detox. After yesterday's protein-packed meal, I'm feeling amazing and much less bloated. Today is all about targeting belly fat with a powerful metabolism-boosting drink. Get ready to put your body into fat-burning mode. Here is the recipe. We're starting with cucumber. Grate the cucumber. I prefer grating because it releases all the fresh juice and nutrients instantly, making the detox more effective. Transfer this into your jug. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked overnight. These are the stars of day 3. When they form that gel-like texture, they keep you full for longer and help your body burn fat more efficiently. I'm adding a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, but for the best detox results, you can totally skip it. For a boost of vitamin C and immunity, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. This balances the flavor and helps in cutting down belly fat. Finally, pour in water and give it a good mix. This powerful combo of cucumber and chia seeds is exactly what your body needs to stay energized and lean. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. Just 1 glass a day is enough to support your digestion and keep your energy stable. Stay consistent. Tomorrow for day 4, I'm sharing a secret fat-burning meal to speed up your results. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you tomorrow.